Hiya guys, welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. A couple of weeks ago I uploaded a poll in which I asked which should be the next video recipe, and the winner was the keto pasta that I did last week, the keto pasta fourth and I hope last version. And then the coconut pancakes and the Italian bagels. Now the pronunciation is not clear to me while I'm recording, I'm sorry for that. So the keto pasta was the winner, I did it, and now today is the time of the keto coconut pancake. And this is the video recipe of today, of this time. And follow me until the end so we can have some brief considerations about the carbohydrates in the coconut flour. So let's begin our keto coconut pancake preparation. 30 grams of coconut flour, the powder one, not the grated one. 20 grams of erythritol, or you can use swerve. I know that you people in the US use swerve or stevia. Whatever, you can just avoid it if you like. Coconut flour is already sweet. 3 eggs. If you want, you can put less or just not at all of sweetener. It's up to you. Now let's give a good stir, and so that we allow the coconut flour to absorb the eggs. Coconut flour is like a sponge, really. Then so we avoid any lumps in the butter, and we are ready to add the last liquid ingredient just to give a touch of more coconut and help the butter to be more liquid. You can see that it won't be as liquid as the pancake, the not keto pancake, so you are not going to pour it into the pan. Is a little bit is thick, and anyway, we can add now some coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the butter. One, so to have to make the butter a little bit more liquid, because it's still thick. The coconut flour, as I told you, is like a sponge. But don't go into panic. Don't worry. I will show you straight away how you can make some delicious pancakes, even though the butter is not as liquid as the normal one. Let's keep stirring to make all the ingredients blend together. And now let's go to the oven. Okay, we are at the stove now, so what you see in the pan is just some coconut oil, and now is the first tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add the second one. Okay. And then I spread it evenly all around just to make a circle shape. I didn't spread it all around the pan. I will tell you later in the video why. It's a trick. So now, as you can see, when you see those bubbles appear on the top of the surface, it means that the pancake is ready to be flipped over. I'm just waiting a few seconds so more bubbles will form, and then we will flip it over, and then you can wait just I think 1 minute for cooking the other side. And you see, okay, no breakage, the pancake is still intact. And now you can just lift a little bit with a spatula if you want to be sure the side of the pancake which is being cooked. But just 1 minute and you are ready to take it off the pan, so no need to wait for bubbles. Okay, that's the first. With the dosage I gave you, you are able to make 4 pancakes. Of course, if you make it larger, You're going to make one or two, I suppose. Okay, we flip it over when you see the bubbles. Be sure not to have a high flame on the stove, a moderate flame. So be patient. The oil will get hot and the pancake will cook. No burns. And there you are, 4 delicious low-carb coconut pancakes ready to be tasted. It's so soft, really soft, sweet, delicious. It melts in the mouth. Those coconut keto pancakes are one of the best options for breakfast. If you don't like fried eggs, savory breakfast, you can put eggs in those pancakes and use them at breakfast. Be careful with the amount of carbs, because not all the coconut flours on the market have got the same amount of carbohydrates. So the one that I used for this recipe has got, as you can see, just 16 grams of carbs out of 100 grams of product. But there are some coconut flour products, that have an even lower amount of carbs. I know on the Italian market. I have no idea on the American market. On Amazon, the ones that I found on Amazon have got a high amount of carbs. So maybe on other channels, not Amazon related website, you can find the lowest coconut flour carbohydrates contained into it. Let me know in the comments. So I would like to know if there is a product that available on the American market with the lowest amount of carbs, a coconut flour one. Just a tip: when you pour the butter in the pan, do not make a very large area. Do not fill the whole area of the pan, because then it will get into troubles when you have to flip it over. Unless you are so skilled more than me, you can definitely be able to flip over a large amount of butter in the pan. Okay, I don't, so I'm just feeling like giving you a suggestion. Yeah, that's it. Next week, the Italian bagels. I hope the pronunciation is correct. I always get confused between bagels and bagels. It's something that I don't eat so often. So yeah, I will definitely complete all the items in the poll. And I am on Pinterest as well, so if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me on Pinterest, Instagram. Subscribe on my YouTube channel if you like the video, and share it with your friends. I need definitely more followers in the how can I say, abroad Italy. I have a lot of Italian followers. I need more English followers, Spanish followers, whatever. For the moment, I just speak Italian and English. But anyway, I don't disregard people from other nations. Of course, if they understand English, you are more than welcome to join. That's it. So I hope you like the video again. Subscribe, please, and see you next week with the Italian pizza flavored bagels.